Hello and welcome to my first ePortfolio here on Blackboard for the CUNY School of Professional Studies. My name is Carlene Douglas, and this ePortfolio is a brief look back or reflection into my fall 2019 semester as a Communication and Media CM203 student. Here on the landing page, I have a link about myself and my history before I became a student once again after 12 years of finding myself in my path in life. It is a long read, but I hope it would inspire someone to do their best and return to school and earn a degree. Also, via the home page or links here, you can view my resume pulled from LinkedIn.com. Feel free to connect with me. Who knows? I may be your coworker one day. Also, feel free to visit my blog at carlenemichelle.com. I'd love for you to subscribe. Also, lastly on my homepage are units of study from the Communication and Media class CM203. You can use either this drop-down links here, or you can scroll down from the main homepage and you can click the various links below this way. Each link will give you access to several assignments from this semester. These assignments I'm very proud of, and I worked very hard. You can view a previous podcast, some student feedback, and some funny Instagram pics. Feel free to email me from the provided email should you want to have a full copy of any of the assignments presented. Also, there are short media links to YouTube presentations other than this presentation here on the homepage. The Communications and Media course was a very enlightening course to take. The journey was not easy, but the knowledge gained is well worth the challenges. Thank you for visiting my ePortfolio, and I hope you enjoyed your stay.